Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to continue with the Nissan Hardbody D21 pickup. Alright, here we go. Let's continue. Now I already installed the bed back on the truck. Reason being is that I want to primer the entire thing first before I can start blocking it. So let me continue. I already removed the tailgate, which that's what we're going to be doing next. Here we go. This is the tailgate. Now the reason I am removing the entire paint to bare metal, it makes it a lot easier for me. The paint is cracked. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it's cracked all over. I don't want to apply my paint on top of that. Even though I can sand it down, it's best for me just to remove it completely and start from scratch. So that's what I'm doing. This is where I'm at right now. Let me show you how I got to this point. And this is where I'm at right now. This is what I used to remove the paint, and it's working perfectly. I am going to be applying some epoxy primer and primer the way I was doing it with the bed of the truck. Now let me tell you a little bit about myself, guys, because there's always somebody who believes that knowledge should be gatekept, meaning to themselves. I've learned because there was somebody that taught me how to do this back in the 80s when I was like 14 years old. I really appreciate that gentleman who taught me how to do it. He's not with us anymore, but I really appreciate him showing me his stuff, guys. And I also appreciate everyone who has been here over the years on my YouTube channel. I do have 160K plus subscribers that don't stick around by accident. They stick around because I'm trying to teach my knowledge to everyone that wants to learn. So if you're one of them, I really thank you. I really appreciate you taking the time and looking at my videos and learning. All right. I've been painting cars since the 80s. Like I mentioned, I was like 14 years old when I started doing this hobby. I'm still learning. I love to teach this to anybody that wants to learn, and I do enjoy it. All right. If you guys think that you have mastered the art of painting, well, good for you. I am still learning, like I said, and there's room for improvement. I do make mistakes, and I learn from them, guys. I learn from my mistakes. So if you guys want to try it out, and if you make mistakes, perfect, because that is how you learn. All right, that is how you learn. That is how I learned. I messed up a lot of cars, guys, before I started getting better. And that's the only way to do it. Now also, those rims right there, that's what's going to be going on the mini truck as of right now. I don't like the rims that it has, so I'm going to be using these. These are 15 by 9. I was trying to get 15 by 10s, but I wasn't able to get any. So these are 15 by 9s, and they are a little messed up right now, but I am gonna polish them out. If you guys want to see how I do that, leave it in the comments below. I am gonna sand them down. I am gonna remove all those little rivets that's all around. I already removed them from that rim, but we are gonna polish them out. Let me take a close, so you can take a close look. So that's what's gonna be on the mini truck for right now. I do plan on getting some wire wheels later on, so if you want to learn how to polish some wheels, leave it in the comments and I'll do a video of it. But for the truck, this is where I'm at. I am going to be applying some epoxy primer and some primer, high build primer. It does have dents. There's a couple of minor little dents on the tailgate, which are gonna get fixed. So let me just remove the entire paint from the tailgate and I'll bring you back. Also guys, before continuing with the tailgate, let me tell you the giveaway. It's gonna be next Saturday. Okay, you still have one more week to leave your comments. You can leave as many comments as you want. I'm gonna do a random comment picker, and that's who's gonna be winning that lowrider skateboard. So we got one more week. Next Saturday is the giveaway. All right, here it is. We have sanded everything down to bare metal. We are good to go to apply the epoxy primer. I'm also gonna do the little gas cover. So let's go. This is the epoxy primer that I'm using from Eurochem. I am gonna apply 2 coats, waiting 15 minutes in between each coat. Right now it's at we're at 80 degrees in here, so it's pretty warm, so it'll dry up pretty quick. So let's mix it up and apply it. I'm gonna be using a 1.3 tip to apply the epoxy primer. Here we go, 2 full wet coats of the epoxy primer. That's all it needs. Now I'm gonna let it dry for 1 hour. We need to let it dry for 1 hour, this particular brand of epoxy. And then I'm gonna be applying 3 full wet coats of the high build primer. There we go. This is the first coat of the high build primer. I'm going to be applying like 3 to 4 coats, waiting 15 minutes in between. So let me just do that and I'll bring you back once everything has been applied. All right, I applied 4 full wet coats of the high build primer. Now I'm going to let it set for about a week before I can come back, fix the dents, block it, apply 3 more full wet coats and do the final blocking. But there it is, guys, and this is gonna be it for this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. Also remember If you're not a subscriber, help me out. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that thumbs up. Helps a lot. And I'll see you this coming weekend. Have a great weekend. Have a great week. And like always, stay safe and God bless.